Hi everyone, and welcome to Southern Motors, Michigan's leading muscle and classic car dealer since 1978. Remember, you can always go online and check out our updated inventory at southernmotors.com. Today we're going to take a look at a gorgeous 1971 Plymouth Roadrunner. Guys, this is one of 109 factory V-code 446 pack cars. Gorgeous car, guys. I actually sold this car in 2014 to a gentleman up in Canada who's had it ever since. I originally bought this car from a guy by the name of John out of Pennsylvania. Just a super guy. Did just a real Mopar guy too. Matter of fact, since then I bought a couple more cars from him. Real Mopar guy, and he did a complete Nut-N-Bolt Rotisserie Restoration of this car. It's only got 1,400 miles on it since it was done. Beautiful car. Sassy grass green. It's got the black vinyl interior. It's got the functional air grabber hood. And it is as nice on the bottom, guys, as it is on top. Complete Nut-N-Bolt Rotisserie car. And the only reason, gentlemen, I sold it to, selling it, he's moving from one side of Canada to the other. But just a gorgeous car. It's got the going. There's not much I can really pick, guys. This car is slick. BF Goodrich Radial TA is all the way around it. The Mopar rallies. You can see it's got the machine gun tips. New front and rear bumpers. Gorgeous car. Rally wheels, you look underneath this thing, you see it's green on the bottom, just like it is on the top, guys. Front disc brakes. Again, you look in those wheel wells. Literally turn the key, drive it right to a show. It is not a matching numbers car, but it does have a 71 date-coded 440 in it. Of course, it's got the six-pack, power steering, power front disc brakes, steel crank. It's a healthy motor, guys. This thing runs. Still runs on pump gas, but he's... when John builds a car, you can take it to the bank, it is going to run. Mopar radiator with the shroud. Again, detailed all, just gorgeous underneath the hood. There's really not much that I can pick on this car. Two-tagger. It was actually a factory Hemi orange car, but he wanted it sassy grass. Look how nice this car is. I mean, everywhere you look, this car is just gorgeous. Got the dual body color mirrors. There's your door tag. I mean, this is just a gorgeous car. Everywhere you look, this car is nice. Bucket seats, console, tough wheel. It's got all the factory correct seat belts in it. $1,457 miles on it since it was restored, guys. Factory tach and gauges. It's got the AM/FM radio. Dual exhaust. It's a Dana 354 sure grip rear end. See, it's all body color in here. Car's got the original quarters, Goodyear bias ply spare with the jack. Again, all body color in your trunk. Brand new cover. I don't even know if he's ever unpacked it. I'll tell you what, we get these from a guy. He bought this from a guy locally here. One of the nicest covers you'll ever see. They're expensive. They're about $300, but those covers are awesome. Not real sure what's in here. Oh, that's your original Mopar battery. Look at this thing underneath, man. Dana rear end. And when you take it to a show, you put mirrors underneath this car. And like I said, I know the guy, we've actually become buddies. I know John very well that built this car. Late 70s now. He watches our videos, so I always see him at the car shows. Great guy. And he does beautiful work. Just bought and sold a 70 Challenger that we sent to Hawaii. Yeah, this thing scoots, guys. I mean, everything he's got runs. Air grabber hood works. Have you shut that, Jay? Fuel gauge or oil pressure gauge, fuel gauge works. Temp gauge works. Alternator gauge is working. I'll come back in there and show them the track. It's not working? There it goes, sorry. It's just a little lazy. I remember that. It is a little lazy. It's like that when we sold it. Got one backup light out. Radio? I got power. It works.
Been converted to FM.
Oh, okay. I didn't remember that.
Yeah.
Blower motor?
Yep.
It works. Looks like a no on the wipers. Again, make sure you keep track of our inventory, guys. You can do that at southernmotors.com. Another great way to keep in touch with us is through our Facebook page. Or as always, pick up the phone, give us a call, 248-620-3355. Boy, that car is tough, guys. that air grabber. That is a pretty car, man. Have a great day, guys.